Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to create animations for your content. So if you're a content creator and you're thinking of how to create, animations for your social media platforms, then this video is for you. So first of all, visit this website. Okay, visit this website. You can use your mobile or whatever. Visit this website. But I'll advise you to use your PC or laptop. Yeah, so visit this website. And in here, select the particular social media platform that you want to. So whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Threads, any. So you can just select the platform that you want, and they will give you, a template. So in here you realize there are templates of, that you can use. There are a lot. Yeah. So you can also search. You can also search for, the particular template that you want. Yeah, so there are a lot of motion graphics in here that you can choose from. So after maybe you find your preferred choice. So let's say maybe this is my preferred choice. You just select it and you will input in, maybe for YouTube, you just input in your username or you input in the link. Okay. Yeah, so you realize that automatically fetched my data. Okay. And you can do a preview. So the preview is for, pro the pro users. So generate. That's it. So it has been, done successfully. But if you want to, remove this video effects.com from it, then meaning you have to subscribe to Pro. Yeah. But if not, then you can enjoy this free motion graphics. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.